This is a questionnaire, and we have 7 questions. The data is given for 8 questions, but we just need for 7 questions because we have 7 questions. So we copy the entire data. This is of 500 respondents. We copy the entire data and paste it in a SPSS data file because the analysis will be done using SPSS as a tool. We click on the data view. In that, we paste the entire data. Don't copy the headers here. Okay, now copy the headers for the first 7 options and do a transpose of it because we are presenting it in a like vertical form, not in a horizontal form. So we need it in a transpose form. So we have transposed the data, the names, and we paste it in a label. Now for the name sections, we have 2 options, either to manually type it like gender, age, or to paste it. So let's say we are manually typing it. So third is marital status. Okay, so one difference is there in name and label. Name doesn't support any space, while label does. So, for example, if like say in fifth I have written as monthly space income, then it is shown as an illegal character. So I need to eliminate the space. So now I write without space monthly income. It has supported now. So name couldn't be written with special characters and space and so on, while label can be. Okay, so sixth is experience and last is association. Now once data is listed, now we present the values for each of these variable. So for the first question, gender, it's male and female. So 1 we write for male and second for female and then click on OK. Similarly for all other variables too, age, 1 is 20 to 30 years, second is 30 to 40 years, third is 40 to 50 years, and fourth is above 50 years. Similarly for marital status, first is married, second is unmarried oblique single, third is prefer not to say. Now for education, first is secondary, second is senior secondary, third is graduation, fourth is post graduation, and fifth is professional. Similarly for monthly income, we have added other options. So first below rupees 30,000, second 30 to 60, third 60 to 90, fourth rupees 90 to 1,20,000, and fifth above rupees 1,20,000. Experience, first is 0 to 5 years, second is 5 to 10 years, third is 10 to 15 years, and fourth is above 15 years. Similarly for association, one is 0 to 5 years, two is 5 to 10 years, third is 10 to 15 years, and fourth is above 15 years. Now we click on analyze frequency and select all the variables and click on OK. We can see the result for all the frequencies. We click on all the tables, gender, age, marital status, education, monthly income, experience, association, copy them and paste it in a new Excel sheet. Now we need to format it. So we change the value to gender, then age. One thing, these total to header columns are rows are irrelevant, so we delete these rows. So gender, similarly from here total to again the headers, we delete these rows. Now again total to education headers, we delete these rows. We provide it name as monthly income and delete these rows. Similarly for experience. Now for association. Lastly, in association also there is a total row, so we delete this row also. Because we need to present chart in using a percentage, so we cut the frequency, present it at the end of the table, and plot the graph with percentage. So select the them options, insert, chart, and this. Now we can format it. Chart, data labels, and grid lines. So this is the graph. Now because this, and also we can change the numbering by presenting the data as number with 2 pointers. We can divide the chart in two form also. We select the options till where we want to present in first chart and format it, and similarly we select the remaining options. We divide mostly in equal form. So what we do is we re-edit the area for the first chart and drag the column so to include two more options, that is marital status and education. Now we present another graph for all the remaining options, and this new graph is plotted. We format it, exclude chart title, grid lines, and include data labels. Similarly for above one, chart title, grid lines, and data labels. Now for formatting, we copy the data, we copy this, paste it in a Word file. Let's say if we are doing for a chapter or so, so we formatted the contents as chapter 1 headings, and we name as this chapter as data analysis. Center, Times New Roman, black, and bold. Now we update the chart one, like first heading as per this. Now for subheading 1.1, we say introduction to the chapter. We select again format Times New Roman, black, bold, and update. Space. Now for normal text, we say Times New Roman again, justified, and update. Second subheading we are providing is demographic analysis. Now here we paste the graph, center it. Now for caption references, insert caption, because we need to include the chapter number, so numbering, include chapter number. Okay. And we write now the caption because it's a demographic profile graph, so we're writing demographic analysis. Select the caption, non-italic, Times New Roman size 12, black, and update the caption.